Hi, I'm Chris, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a bird portrait. So, let's begin. Bird portrait. First, we're going to start with the beak. So we're going to come around, and we're going to make this little piece right there. And we're going to come around. Finish it off. There. Now here's the eye. A little circle there. I'll fill that in. And here comes the top of the bird's head. These are the feathers. It's like a cockatoo. This line down for the back of the bird. And add some coloring. Bring that curve down. Some more lines there. That's the breast of the bird. Some more of the feathering at the top. And there you are. I'm Chris, and this is how you draw a bird portrait.